Hi, mangobellykids. We're going to read the book I Spy, where you find things. I spy, over here, I spy a school bus, a sailboat with a duck. School bus, where's the sailboat with the duck? Do you guys see it anywhere? Sailboat, there's the sailboat with the duck. A small yellow taxi and orange dump truck. Where's the yellow taxi or the orange dump truck? Anybody see it? Anybody? There's the orange dump truck. There's the yellow taxi. Yay! I spy a rainbow, a long choo-choo train. There's the rainbow. Do you see the choo-choo train? There it is, choo-choo. A small green frog, look for him. And a little toy plane, let's look for him. Do you see him? I want you to see him. Do you see him? Oh, where's that toy plane? There it is. There's the toy plane. Right there. Let me make it clear for you. See him? There's the toy plane. And look. There's a frog. I don't know if you can see it in there. Let me see if I can get it any closer. There's a frog. Do you see the frog? All right, here we go. Next. I spy a skate, a hammer, and a clock. Over here, over here. You see the skate, the hammer, skate, hammer, and a clock. Where's the hammer and clock? Do you see it? Do you see it? There it is, a hammer and a clock. Yay! A red fire truck and a light blue sock. A red fire truck and a light blue sock. That's kind of hard to see. A red fire truck and a light blue sock. Do you guys see the red fire truck and a light blue sock? Do you see it? Red fire truck, light blue sock. There it is. Okay. I spy two little cars of green. Two little cars of green. Where are those green cars? Where? Do you see them? Cars. I hear you. I hear you. You're saying there's one. There's two. One. And two. Yay! Very good. A kitty cat face and a blue limousine. Wow, this is going to be hard. Kitty cat face. So it's a kitty cat face. Do you see it? Do you see it? There is a blue limousine. So hard to see. See that blue limousine right there? There it is. There it is. But where's the kitty cat face? Oh! Where is that kitty cat face? Did you see it? He doesn't want to be seen. You see him right there. Right there. He is so hiding from us. I want to see him. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. All right. I spy a man, a little wooden train. Where's the man and the little wooden train? Do you see him? There he is. Look at, he's got to look like that and look like this. So that's the wooden train. And there's the man. So let's go over here. There's the man. And where's the wooden train? Do you see it? It's right there. It's so right there. I'm going to put it in the center. Do you see it? There it is. Yay! See, I'm going to put the book down, and there's the train, and there's the man. A zooming bike and a zooming airplane. Ooh. A zooming bike. See, it's zooming? And a zooming airplane. Oh, there's so many other things in there. Look at that. Just a little bit more. I spy police cars. 1, 2, 3. Do you see the police cars? Can you see the police cars? Look at police cars. Well, there's a bike, and there's a car, and a car. But I didn't see a police car. Did you see a police car? Did you see a police car? I don't know. Oh, I heard you. 1, 2, 3. Police cars. There they are. I spy a helicopter just for me. Ooh, where's that helicopter? Oh, this is going to be hard because it's a little dark, isn't it? But I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the page of the book. Do you see any helicopter? It's red, blue helicopter. Well, there's a basketball. There's the Statue of Liberty. There's a telephone. Where is a helicopter? Do you see one? There's a bunch of people. I spy it right there. Helicopter. There it is. See that helicopter? It's just for you. When you're done, go back and look. Wooden trucks, whistles, motorcycles. What else can you find in your I Spy book? So there's so many things that we can find in our I Spy book, isn't there? I Spy Little Wheels. Bye.